Hello everybody, today we're going to be making pea and carrot magloobah, which is basically like peas, carrots, meat, rice, all into a nice cake, and it is super good. It's a very savory cake though, because obviously it's not a cake at all. So first we're going to start off with 2 pounds of beef stew, and we're going to fill it all the way to the top with boiling water. And we're going to get rid of all the nastiness, that's all that white stuff. Then we're going to put it in the pressure cooker with some salt, pepper, vegetable broth powder, paprika, and 7 spices seasoning. And some bay leaves. This is the secret ingredient. And then go ahead and fill that all up once again with boiling hot water and close the pressure cooker and let it cook. Should take about 25 minutes. And let's move on to our rice. My mom likes to use a blend of 2 cups of Egyptian rice and 2 cups of American rice, and you're going to fill that to the top with boiling hot water as well. And then you're going to place 1/4 cup of olive oil in a pot alongside with some ghee. Very good fat comes from ghee. And you're just going to melt that down. And then you're going to add your peas and your carrots. And mix it around. 4 cups of these. And you can totally do this fresh, I guess, and cut the carrots. I mean, I guess you could cut the peas out of their pods and cut the carrots themselves, but it is a very difficult process. So we usually buy them frozen and we keep them for a long time, and we just use the frozen bags. Honestly, this is a lot easier and more efficient, so go for that if you can. And then you're going to put the meat in the middle, because we're going to make a nice shape at the end. And try to cover the peas over them a little bit, so you can put some space for the ones on the side. I apologize if my voice is still a little bit gone. I have been sick these past couple of days, and I want to thank my dad for doing these past couple of videos for me. He does the Arabic videos on our other channel. If you want to check that out, if you understand /speak/ want to hear Arabic, he's very funny, and you should check it out. Anyways, after you're done putting all of the peas and the meat, you're going to cover the top with rice. And this whole process is to try to make every layer as even as possible, because we care about what the outside looks like. And you're going to go ahead and put in the meat broth from the pressure cooker. So side note, do not drain/strain that away. Make sure to keep it. And then finish off to the very, very top with boiling hot water. Give it a little mix to make sure the stew reaches all parts of the rice. And don't mess up the bottom layer, but just mix around the rice. Cover it and let it sit on low heat. In fact, you're going to go so low that's going to be extra low. So take it from high once it starts boiling and all the way to XX low. And there are some extension devices you can find online to achieve this. Otherwise, just keep it the lowest you have it as. Then you're gonna shake it around a little bit and pop it out like a cake. Upside down cake. Part 2. Check out the other upside down cake on our channel. Whoever can find it wins. And then you're going to cover the top with some pine nuts and almonds, which you can either buy roasted or roast them yourself in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. And just wait until they're nice and golden brown and finish as a garnish. And that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy making this pea and carrot magloobah. And yeah, that's about it. Happy magloobing. Bye.